Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp. So first go to Microsoft Store, just search it up in the start and you will get there. After the store is opened, go to the search bar at the top and type in WhatsApp. Click on that and go to the official WhatsApp and click on this get icon. So it will start downloading the app in your device. Wait until it gets installed completely. So after it has been installed, click on open and you will need to click on this get started in order to log into your WhatsApp. You can link your WhatsApp with this code or you can link up with the phone number which is associated with your WhatsApp. So what you can do also is that you can turn on your WhatsApp and go to your settings, and here you will see a scanning thing beside your name. Click on the scan code and scan the code which is in your device and click on continue. So it will ask you if you want to link the device. Click on link a device. It will ask for your passcode. So just link the device and that's it. It will sync your messages with the one in your mobile phone. So this might take a while. Wait for a little bit. And there you have it. You have now successfully installed WhatsApp and logged into your WhatsApp account in your PC. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and I'll meet you guys in the next video.